Introducing our very latest addition to the NPAB family, a bilateral cleft lip French bulldog girl who needs a name. Someone's starting to open her eyes and we have a name. Introducing Violet. Miss Violet had her 6-week vaccinations last week. We had concerns about one of her eyes, so we had Dr. Ron check it out. Violet is being suspected of having microphthalmia, which literally means small eye. Due to a defect early in fetal development, the eye does not grow at the same rate as the rest of the head and therefore looks smaller than it should. Microphthalmia itself doesn't stop a puppy from seeing if the eye is still normal, as it is in Violet's case, but this condition can still cause further problems. These may include defects of the cornea, lens, retina, or interior chamber of the eye, ocular dysgenesis, and cataracts. Violet will go ahead with surgery to repair her bilateral cleft lip. She will then be referred to an eye specialist for assessment of her eye, so we can have more assurance of the smaller eye's health before she goes up for adoption. Violet is the whole package. She is a happy, cheeky little girl who never fails to bring a smile to our face. We just love her to bits. What? You've never seen a mini werewolf get her second vaccination before? Soon I'll be out on the streets greeting people. Violet was born with a bilateral lip cleft defect. Before surgery, she underwent dental x-rays to determine where her adult teeth buds were positioned in order to help the surgeon predict where they will erupt through as she gets older. Violet's bilateral cleft lip had her nose and nostrils uneven, which was occluding airflow through her nasal passages, hence the snoring like a freight train. Violet underwent a surgery to brace and suture the mobile middle segment in her mouth, which took several hours. Finally, her nose was worked on and brought back into alignment as well. Amazing the difference already. Violet handled it like a real trooper. Hey everyone, Violet here with a little update. He is doing well and rocking this new lampshade. He is healing well. He have a small breakdown in nose sutures, but so far the rest is holding. Yes, he will be going up for adoption, but not for a few weeks yet. He have an appointment to see Dr. Ron in 4 weeks to have his brace removed. In the meantime, he is spending days doing what he do best and causing mayhem. Although he have a party shirt on, he is not quite ready to leave just yet, which gives his mamas a bit more time to go through his applications, cause wow, there sure are loads. Dr. Ron wants his brace to remain in a few more weeks, but I promise I'll let you know as soon as I pick his forever home. The girl that stole many hearts is adopted. Violet was a truly perfect match for her new mummy and daddy. We can't thank them enough for treating her like the queen she is. We appreciate your interest in Phoenix's story, and we're thrilled to share it with you. We're grateful to have played a small part in Phoenix's journey and are thrilled to see him thriving in his forever home. We hope his story inspires others to adopt shelter dogs and give them the love and care they deserve. If you enjoyed Phoenix's story, be sure to subscribe to our newsletter to stay up to date with other heartwarming tales about dogs from around the world. We have many more stories to share, and we can't wait to bring them to you.